Hello, good morning. Today we are going to learn new topic in grammar, that is describing words. Okay, before we actually start with the describing words, we will first go through a small activity. Okay? Okay. Now I'm going to show you some pictures. Okay. Can you see this picture? What are these? Yes, right. These are shoes. Now, if I tell you to describe these shoes, how will you describe them? Yes, these are red shoes. You're right. These are red shoes. Now look at this picture. Can you see this picture? Yes. So, how will you describe the picture? Yes, it shows cold water. Yes, you're right, children. It shows cold water. Okay. Now look at this woman. How will you describe? Yes, you're right. She is an old woman. Old woman. So, you can see the words red, cold, and old, all these I have put in red color. Okay. Why? Because they are describing words. Okay. Whenever you want to talk about shoes, whichever shoes I've shown in the picture. Okay. Shoes is what? A naming word. Shoe is a naming word. Shoe is the name of a thing. So when I want to tell something about these particular shoe, I'm going to say red shoes. Okay, understood. Now, in the next picture, when I'm showing you a glass of water, right, and I want to describe that glass of water, since in the picture I can see the ice cubes and there are some droplets of water outside on the outer part of the glass, I can call it as cold water. Water is a noun, name of a thing, right? So, how is the water? Water is cold. So, cold is describing the naming word water. Here, red is describing the naming word which is shoes. Okay, understood? In the next picture, when I showed you a picture of a woman, old is describing the naming word which is woman. Woman is the name of a person. So old is describing this naming word. Okay. So in these pictures you have seen that red, cold, old, all these three are describing words. Some more pictures I will show you. Okay. This is a stick, right? So tell me, how is the stick? Yes, it is a long stick. Is it not? It is a long stick. Okay. So the word long describes the stick. What is stick? Stick is a naming word. Naming word means name of a thing. Okay. Stick is the name of a thing. And long describes how the naming word is. Okay, so the stick is long. So long is the describing word. Now look at this picture. What can you see? Yes, it is an elephant. And how is the elephant? How will you describe the elephant? Yes, it is a big elephant, is it not? Yes, it is a big elephant. So big is describing the naming word elephant. Elephant is the name of an animal. Okay. So the words, so we will go to the definition or what is the actual meaning of describing words. Okay. Words that tell us more about naming words are called as describing words. Okay, one more time. Words that tell us more about naming words. some words they give us more information about the naming words. Okay, those words are called as the describing words. Now when we saw nouns, what did we say? Naming words have a different name. Okay, it is also called as noun. Naming words are also called as nouns. Similarly, describing words are also called as adjectives. Earlier we saw that action words are also called as verbs. Same way, describing words are also called as adjectives. Will you please repeat after me? Adjectives. Describing words are also called as adjectives. Okay, understood? Okay, so uh, we'll just go back once more. Red, cold, old are describing the naming words over here. It is giving you more information about this shoes. How are the shoes? These are red. How is the water? It is cold. How is the woman? She is old. How is the stick? It is long. How is the elephant? It is big. So all these words are giving more information about the naming words. So we call them as describing words or adjectives. Did you understand? Very good. We'll do some more exercises so that you will be able to understand properly. Okay. Now you have to write the words to describe the things. Okay, look here. Look at this tree. How will you describe the tree? It is a tall tree. How is it? How is the tree? A tall tree. Okay, now look at this picture. Yes, he's a boy. How is he? Is he happy? Is he crying? Is he sad? Yes, you cannot describe it as a crying boy, is it not? We'll say a sad boy. Crying is a action word. So a sad boy, he's sad boy. Is it not? So tall is describing the tree. Tree is the naming word, name of a thing. Okay. And boy here is the naming word and it is the name of a person. And sad is describing the boy. Understood? Understood. So the words which describe the naming words, which give us more information about the naming words, are called as the describing words, or what do we call them? What is the other name? Yes, they are also called as adjectives. Okay. So let's take a look at some more examples. Okay. What is this? Yes, you're right. It is a mango. So how is the mango? A ripe mango. Okay. There some other words which you can use to describe? Ripe means what you know? Ripe means पका हुआ, पिकलेला. हाँ? And what is a raw mango? जर अगर वो कच्चा होगा तो उसको बोलते हैं raw mango. कळलं का? अ, जर तो पिकलेला नसेल, कच्चा असेल तर त्याला म्हणतात रॉ मँगो, RAW रॉ. ओके, हियर व्हॉट आय एम शोइंग यू इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ राइप मैंगो. अंडरस्टूड? राइप मीन्स पिकलेला या हिंदी में पका हुआ. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. What else can you use? You can use color also to describe. You can say it is a yellow mango. Hmm? So yellow here, if you use the word yellow, yellow will be the describing word. Okay. Suppose what else you can use? Yes, you can also say a sweet mango. How is the mango? It is sweet. So sweet if you use will be the describing word for that mango. So there are many adjectives you can use to describe a single thing. Here I have used ripe mango. You can use yellow mango. You can also use sweet mango. Okay. So yellow, sweet, ripe, all these are describing words. Okay, understood? Chalo, look here. Yes, is it not a beautiful dress? How is the dress? It is beautiful. What else can you use? Yes, it is a pretty dress. What else? Look at the color. You can uh, describe it using the color also. Yes, it is a purple dress. What else? It is a shimmery dress, is it not? So many adjectives you can use. So, yes, look here. Now I have described here as a new dress. So, what did we see early? A beautiful dress, a pretty dress. What else? Purple, shimmery, new. All these are adjectives because they describe the naming word, which is dress. Dress is the name of a thing. Okay, understood? So, one object you can describe by using so many words, and all those words are called as the adjectives or the describing words. Chalo, let's have a look at the next picture. Okay, what is this? Yes, it is a bird. Now, what words will you use to describe? If I tell you, look at this picture and describe the bird. So, how will you describe? Yes, it is a small bird. What else? It is a cute bird. It is a little bird. It is a green bird. Can you think of anything else? Okay, you can, as I said, you can use so many words to describe one thing. So we use so many words, no? Let's see what is written here. A small bird, right? It is a small bird. Okay, let's take a look at the next picture. Okay, this is what? This is a blanket. Okay, so how will you describe it? It seems to be folded, so it might be a big blanket, and it looks so soft, no? So soft blanket. What else? It is a colorful blanket because see, so many different types of fabrics are used to make it. Hmm? So it has become colorful also. What else? Let's see. It is a soft blanket. Okay. So what other words did we use? First we use soft, we use big, and we also used colorful. Okay. So all these are describing the naming word, that is blanket. Blanket is the name of a thing. Okay, let's take a look at the next pictures. Okay, what is this? This is sun. Now, how would you describe the sun? Yes, it is hot sun. What else? Yellow sun. What else? Shining. Is it not? What else? Blazing. Hmm? Think of some more words. Yes, the sun is also big. Over here, it does not seem to be very big, but yes, the sun is also big. What else? You can think of many more words. Yes, here is the different word. A bright sun. Is it not? Bright sun. Bright means what? When you put on the light and you look at the light, you feel like closing your eyes. Why? Because suddenly the light is going in your eyes and you feel that it is so bright. Is it not? You have to close your eyes if suddenly somebody throws the light on your eyes, right? Right or not? Can you look at the sun? No, you cannot look at the sun. Why? Because it is bright, a bright sun. Hmm? So, what did we describe the sun as? A big sun. Big is an adjective. Yellow, hot, blazing. All these describe the sun. So, these are called as the describing words. Okay, we had gone through this example earlier also. So, how is the elephant? We saw there it is a big elephant. What else can you use to describe the elephant? Huge elephant. What else? What is the color? You can describe with the help of color also. Gray elephant. Is it not? Okay, let's take a look. Okay, yes, you're right. Now next, actually, this I'm unable to see over here. So there are a few words which we have used: gray, big, huge. All these will be describing the elephant. Elephant is the naming word, name of an animal. Okay. So let's take a look at the next picture. What is this? Yes, it is a room. And how is the room? Room is the naming word, name of a place. Room is the name of a place. Okay. Now, how is the room looking? Is it looking dirty? No, it is looking clean. A clean room. What else can you use to describe this particular room? A beautiful room, a neat room, a tidy room. Is it not? So all these words will describe the noun or the naming word, that is the room. Room is the name of a place. So which words are describing the naming word? Those words are called as the describing words. So let's look. A neat room. है ना? So neat is the describing word. Okay. Now look at this picture. This is a man, name of a person. Okay, how will you describe this particular man? Yes, he is an old man. You will describe him as an old man. Okay, what else can you use to describe this man? Of course, you don't know him. If you know him, you can also refer to as a good man, a wise man, a knowledgeable man. Is it not? So all these are adjectives. You can also, if you know that he is very intelligent, you can say an intelligent man. Is it not? So various words which we use to describe the naming words are called as the describing words, or what is the other name I told you? Yes, adjectives. Okay, so that's all for today. Next time we'll do some more exercise and we'll practice and learn more about the adjectives. Bye. See you soon.